XRP Army, we are at a crossroads. Ripple is about to unleash a billion XRP on the market. Will this trigger a catastrophic price crash? Plus, a bombshell update in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit has everyone talking. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your frontline source for crypto daily. I'm your host, Gold Rush, and today we're facing a potential XRP earthquake. We've got two explosive articles to dissect, loaded with critical information and my own unfiltered opinions, so buckle up, XRP holders, and let's get this gold rush started. All right, let's start with this alarming report from Finbold. The headline screams, Ripple will unlock 1 billion XRP on January 1st, 2025. What to expect? Well, I'll tell you what to expect. Volatility, uncertainty, and potentially a whole lot of pain for XRP investors. On the first day of every month, Ripple unlocks 1 billion XRP tokens from an escrow system using the XRP ledger. On January 1st, Wednesday, the company will unlock over $2 billion worth of tokens in 3 transactions of 200 million, 300 million, and 500 million XRP. $2 billion worth of XRP flooding the market, that's a colossal amount of selling pressure. And it could send the XRP price into a free fall. Think about it, folks. That's enough money to buy a small island, a fleet of luxury cars, or even a professional sports team. And Ripple is just going to dump it all in the market? It's madness. Interestingly, January 2025's unlock accounts for 1.74% of the current 57.25 billion circulating supply. Moreover, it accounts for 2.63% of the remaining 38 billion XRP tokens, locked in escrows under Ripple's control. While those percentages might seem insignificant, they represent a massive chunk of XRP. And when you combine that with the current market sentiment, which is already teetering on the edge of fear, it could create a perfect storm for a price crash. Imagine a tsunami hitting the XRP market. That's what we could be looking at if this unlock triggers a massive sell-off. This is what Ripple did to the 1 billion XRP unlock in December. We can look at previous monthly events as a reference to better understand what is next following this unlock. Notably, the escrow system unlocked 1 billion XRP on December 1st. Later, Ripple relocked 800 million of the total in escrows that will end by February 2028 in 2 accounts. Meanwhile, the remaining 200 million was reserved at Ripple for further distribution. So they relocked some of it, but they still have 200 million XRP ready to be unleashed on the market. And let's not forget that Ripple has a long history of selling massive amounts of XRP, which has consistently suppressed the price. It's like they're playing a game of whack-a-mole with the XRP price. Every time it tries to pop up, they whack it back down with another massive sell-off. Interestingly, the previous month, November, marked Ripple's largest dump in 7 years, selling 470 million SRP from the 1 billion unlocked from escrows. Largest dump in 7 years. That's not exactly a sign of confidence in SRP's future. It seems like Ripple is more concerned with generating revenue from SRP sales than with fostering its long-term growth. It's like they're treating SRP like a cash cow, milking it for all it's worth without caring about its long-term health. With XRP trading above the $2 mark, these sales represent more than $6.5 billion of selling pressure year to date. In comparison, the Ethereum Foundation has a yearly budget of $100 million for Ethereum sales, which wasn't reached. $6.5 billion. That's an astronomical amount of selling pressure. It's no wonder that XRP is struggling to break free from its shackles. Ripple needs to stop treating XRP like a cash cow and start supporting its organic growth. They need to nurture it, care for it, and let it flourish on its own. Now let's talk about Ripple's selling strategies. They claim to be using an on-demand liquidity, ODL, model, selling XRP at market price to willing customers. But is this really the whole story? While ODL might sound sophisticated, it essentially means that Ripple is selling XRP whenever they need to raise capital. This creates constant downward pressure on the price, making it difficult for XRP to sustain any meaningful rallies. It's like trying to run a marathon with a 50-pound weight strapped to your back. You might make some progress, but you're never going to reach your full potential. What does this mean for XRP holders? It means that you're constantly fighting against Ripple's selling pressure. Every time the price starts to rise, Ripple is there to dump more XRP on the market, preventing it from reaching its true potential. It's like they're trying to keep XRP on a leash, preventing it from running free and reaching its full potential. If Ripple truly believes in the future of XRP, they need to stop treating it like a piggy bank. They need to reduce their reliance on XRP sales and focus on building a sustainable ecosystem that will drive organic demand. They need to let XRP spread its wings and fly. Are you frustrated with Ripple's selling practices? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more XRP news and analysis. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the latest development in the Rippleverse SEC lawsuit. This article from FX Empire, titled XRP News Today, Ripple versus SEC, Will the Agency Pursue an Appeal?, offers a glimmer of hope for XRP holders. SEC via Ripple appeal opening brief filing deadline looms. On Wednesday, December 25th, the SEC v. Ripple case remains in the spotlight. The SEC's daily opening brief filing deadline of January 15th is fast approaching. The deadline is looming. The SEC needs to decide whether to appeal the court's decision, which was largely in favor of Ripple. If they appeal, it could prolong this legal nightmare for XRP, creating more uncertainty and volatility. It's like a dark cloud hanging over XRP status quo, preventing it from shining brightly. Incoming SEC Chair Paul Atkins and Republican commissioners are expected to support Trump's crypto-friendly policies. This is a positive sign for XRP. With a more supportive SEC, Ripple has a better chance of putting this lawsuit behind them and focusing on building the future of XRP. It's like a ray of sunshine breaking through the clouds, illuminating the path forward for XRP. While Ripple's legal battle evolves, the outcome of an investigation into alleged crypto conflicts of interest within the SEC could also draw scrutiny. Ooh, this is getting interesting. It seems like the SEC has some dirty laundry to air. If these ethics violations are confirmed, it could further undermine the SEC's case against Ripple. It's like a plot twist in a thrilling movie. Just when you think you know what's going on, something unexpected happens that changes everything. The investigation relates to former SEC Director of the Division of Corporate Finance, William Hinman, a central figure in the Ripple case. Hinman's speech was a complete farce. He essentially gave Ethereum a free pass while targeting XRP. It's clear that the SEC has been playing favorites, and this investigation could expose their bias. It's like a rigged game, and XRP has been dealt a bad hand. But maybe, just maybe, the truth will come out, and justice will prevail. Court documents also revealed that Hinman continued meeting with Simpson Thacher despite warnings from the SEC's Ethics Division. This is corruption at its worst. It seems like the SEC is more interested in enriching itself than in protecting investors. It's like a den of thieves, and they're trying to steal XRP's future. Let's connect the dots. Ripple unlocking a billion SRP could create significant selling pressure. But the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit could be nearing a positive resolution, and the SEC corruption scandal could further weaken the SEC's position. Look at this chart. XRP is currently trapped in a narrow trading range, but depending on how these events unfold, we could see a massive breakout. Here are the potential scenarios. Scenario 1, XRP unlock. SEC appeals, SEC corruption exposed. A mixed bag. The unlock could cause a short-term dip, but the SEC's troubles could ultimately benefit Ripple and XRP. Scenario 2, XRP unlock, SEC doesn't appeal, SEC corruption ignored. More neutral. The unlock could create volatility, but the lack of an appeal would remove a major overhang on XRP. Scenario 3, Ripple relocks most of the XRP, SEC doesn't appeal, SEC corruption leads to reform, the most bullish scenario. We could see a surge in XRP's price. Personally, I'm leaning towards a positive outcome. I think Ripple has a good chance of winning the lawsuit, and I believe that the SEC's corruption scandal will ultimately backfire on them. I'm predicting XRP will eventually break out of its current range and move towards $3, $4, maybe even $5 in the coming months. So, What do you think? Are you ready to join the XRP revolution? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Let's ride this wave to the moon. Thanks for watching, Gold Rushers. Remember, this is not financial advice. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep on digging for that digital gold. Disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions.